Chevrolet Bolt, the moment you press the accelerator, the electric motor wakes up silently and delivers its power in one smooth, confident surge that feels stronger than the numbers suggest. This next-generation Chevrolet Bolt doesn't try to impress with noise or drama. It wins you over with instant response, clean acceleration, and a balanced power delivery that makes city driving and highway merging feel effortless. The motor pushes power straight to the wheels without hesitation, and the way the torque arrives instantly makes the car feel quick off the line, lively in traffic, and surprisingly energetic when you need it most. It's the kind of performance that feels smart, controlled, and modern, perfect for drivers who want speed without stress. The exterior design feels cleaner and more refined than before, with smooth surfaces and subtle lines that give the car a confident stance without trying too hard. The body is compact but not cramped, making it ideal for tight urban streets while still feeling solid and stable at highway speeds. Chevrolet offers a fresh palette of colors, including crisp white, deep metallic blue, soft silver, graphite gray, bold red, and a vibrant electric green that highlights the car's EV personality. The paint finishes look glossy and durable, designed to hold up well against weather and daily wear. The shape of the body improves airflow, helping efficiency while also reducing wind noise inside the cabin. Inside, the Bolt feels simple, airy, and thoughtfully designed. The cabin focuses on comfort and usability, with supportive seats that work well for both short commutes and longer drives. Materials feel improved, with soft-touch surfaces in key areas and durable trims where it matters most. The driving position is upright and clear, giving excellent visibility in all directions. The dashboard layout is clean, with a wide digital display that shows speed, range, energy usage, and navigation in a clear and easy-to-read format. Everything feels intuitive, reducing distraction and making the driving experience calmer. The electric powertrain is smooth and quiet, with minimal vibration even under hard acceleration. Power delivery is linear, making the car predictable and easy to control. Regenerative braking is well-tuned, allowing one-pedal driving in many situations, which reduces brake wear and increases efficiency. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and rough roads without feeling soft or unstable. Steering is light but accurate, perfect for city driving and parking, while still offering confidence at higher speeds. Tire quality plays a big role in the Bolt's driving feel. The tires are optimized for low rolling resistance, helping maximize driving range while still offering good grip in dry and wet conditions. Road noise is kept low, contributing to the quiet cabin. The wheels are lightweight, improving efficiency and ride quality. The braking system feels strong and consistent, with smooth transitions between regenerative and traditional braking. Fuel efficiency, or rather energy efficiency, is one of the Bolt's strongest points. It's designed to go far on a single charge, making it practical for daily use without constant charging anxiety. Charging options include home charging for overnight convenience and fast charging for quick top-ups during longer trips. Energy consumption remains steady even in mixed driving conditions, and the car manages power intelligently to extend range. Lighting is modern and sharp, with bright LED headlights that provide excellent visibility at night without blinding other drivers. Daytime running lights give the car a recognizable look during the day, while LED taillights are crisp and clear. Interior lighting is soft and customizable, adding a relaxed atmosphere during nighttime drives. Safety features are comprehensive, with advanced driver assistance systems that help prevent accidents and reduce fatigue. The car feels secure and well-balanced, with a low center of gravity thanks to the battery placement. Overall, The 2027 Chevrolet Bolt feels like a mature, well-thought-out electric car that focuses on real-world usability, comfort, and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for drivers stepping into the electric future.